Hello, my dear friends. Friends, I am Jyotirvid Pavan Kumar. Friends, in today's video, I am going to reveal another secret of the word of power, Om. Om, as you know, is a sacred mantra, a word of power, tremendous power. But only if you understand and realize. For today's video, I have taken something, a treasure, which can help you in enlightenment on your path to self-realization. It can really help you. See, these are small things in spirituality, but if you are serious and take these seriously, and do the practice regularly, they can do tremendous good to you in your spiritual development. Yes. So you need to understand. For today's video, I have taken the revelations about the word of power Om from one of the Upanishads. You know, there are 108 Upanishads with rare knowledge, uplifting knowledge, and all these Upanishads are part and parcel of the 4 Vedas. This information which I am going to give you about Om is taken from the Mandukya Upanishad. That is the name of the Upanishad, Mandukya Upanishad. It's great revelation, right? You know about this mantra Om, right? But with this information which I am going to reveal to you today in this video, you can utilize it in a sort of meditation on Om. And if you do it really well and regularly, you will be able to realize your true self, which is not this body or mind, which is witness consciousness, which is eternal. It can help you, right? So first of all, let us understand. See, we have 4 states of consciousness. Try to understand it. It is something deep, but I am presenting it in a simple way, in a simple words, right? If you focus, if you watch this video fully and carefully, you will learn, right? We all have 4 states of consciousness. One is waking, right now as we are awake, right? Waking. Then when we go to sleep, dream state, in which we experience different dreams, right? Then deep sleep. You may remember sometimes you have sleep and you people say that I slept like a log. No dreams, nothing, right? Deep sleep. Even in that, you are conscious. The self, your true self is conscious. And then there is another 4th state, which is known as Turiya in Sanskrit, right? In which it is sort of blankness, nothing, no dreams, right? That is your true self, right? And that is the state in which the previous 3 states, waking, dreaming and deep sleep, appear, right? So this meditation on Om is going to help you to visualize these states, right? And then gradually, with practice, with grace of God, you will be able to know, you will be able to realize your true nature, which is consciousness, witness consciousness, which is eternal, never dies. Now I have told you that we all have 4 states of consciousness, right? Waking, dreaming, deep sleep, and the 4th one, Turiya. sort of blindness, no dreams, nothing, but still you are conscious of that state. That is Turiya, that is your true nature. Now this word of power Om has also the related aspects. How? See, Om generally spelled as O-M in English, Om. That is how you pronounce Om. But it is also, you must have seen in English, it is written at certain places as A-U-M. Now A, U, the sound of U, and M, Now in Sanskrit, the sounds A and U combined, they make the sound O. That is why the correct pronunciation is Om, right? But while we are doing this meditation and trying to relate these aspects of Om, three main aspects of Om, with your three states of consciousness, waking, dreaming and deep sleep, then when you recite, sit somewhere comfortably, in a comfortable posture, right? Close your eyes, breathe normally, and then you will recite. I will demonstrate. And as you pronounce Om, try to relate with your three states of consciousness. And when you finish this, reciting this, saying this word Om, then the following silence, relate that silence with your Turiya state, the fourth state, your true nature, right? How? let me demonstrate how you do it. When I will go in silence, I will be relating mentally myself with my Turiya state or true nature, consciousness, right? And before that, I will relate, while I am saying this word Om, I will relate to my three states of consciousness, waking, dreaming, deep sleep, and then in the following silence with the Turiya state. Let me demonstrate. I hope now you get it. You have to visualize when you are saying Om. Visualize in your mind that you are going through or you are experiencing the three states, waking, dreaming, deep sleep. And then after you finish saying Om, in that silence, visualize that you are in your true nature, in that state which is called Turiya, which is your true nature, consciousness, no body, no sense of body or mind, pure consciousness, witness consciousness. My dear friends, spend some time, do it with interest, do it with understanding. This is something very great. This Om meditation you can do anytime. But I prefer, if you do it, I prefer doing it in the morning. See, morning time as well as the evening time, when day is turning into night, twilight. These periods are, periods when nature is at its rest, right? And these periods have great importance, right? So practice. You can practice anytime. when you feel like. Nothing wrong with that. It will help you tremendously. But keep on doing this practice regularly, with interest, with understanding what you're doing, right? Let me, you can, with me, you can also do it and visualize as I have explained to you. Let us do it again. It is very important that when you say this Om, the sacred word Om, like I am saying, then you also visualize in your mind, experience mentally the 3 states, and in the following silence the 4th state, which is your true nature, right? And that is the 4th state for which our Vedas say Tattvamasi, you are that. Yes, and with the grace of God and with your efforts, you will one day awake into greater truth, which is for which we have all come here. We all come here again and again to know that, to know our true nature. So this question, who am I, will be answered, right? I hope this video will help you tremendously on your path of enlightenment. Thank you for watching.